What's up, you guys? We got 2017 nx200t turbo and 4-cylinder engine. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the oil maintenance light. I did do an oil, so make sure you do the oil change. Don't just reset it, okay? So that'd be a bad idea. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this pad here. So pretty much the engine is running right now. I'm gonna try to keep my light away as farther. So we got up, down, right, left, and enter. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be using. So let's go get out of here. So pretty much you're gonna be in your settings. You see these settings. So as you see the information, and then if you use this pad to the right, it will keep scrolling till you get to the no messages, and then you go further, you get that gear, you go down. So pretty much I'm using down here, down. We're gonna go to maintenance. We're gonna press enter, and you're gonna get yes or no option, and you're gonna select yes, press enter here, and the data has been reset. And that's how simple it is to reset the maintenance light on this little guy. And thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys learned a thing or two on my video for how to reset the light and also the oil. Let's see if there's something in the menu here. So we can go into the settings. Let's press enter, and we're gonna go to general. Let's see if there's anything in here. Okay, I see nothing. Okay, services. So you do have services in here, and so there's nothing in here. So that's it. You're pretty much done from right here. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. So that's how you're gonna replace reset the light on this guy, and it's just an oil maintenance light, and that's it. And then you could go back by pressing well, you can just go into the information button, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one.